So one of the projects we're doing on Deborah's new shed, she shed, casita, whatever it's going to be called, she shed, is we're going to replace these eyelets because we need to do the anchors. So I'm going to replace these with bigger eyelets all the way around, and then we can put that rebar down into the ground. But first I'm just gonna do that right now. That is definitely screwed into the stud, which is good until it's bent. Yeah, that's a big difference. Little bitty one and then this bigger one. Alright, one down. 3 to go. 3 to go. Sammy, you helping?
Sammy says, I help you, Mom.
You help?
She goes, I'm going to help you do this last one.
Yeah, well, it's done. We got all the turnbuckle. We got the anchors in. Got the turnbuckles on. We done.
Yeah. That's awesomeness. Now we're going to go up. Both dogs are helping. Now we're going to go up to the shops and see if we can find some cement, right?
Yep. Just a little bit to put down in there. Look at there. There we are. Hi. Hi, little guy. That's Angela the tarantula. All right. Angela the tarantula. Bye. Bye. Good morning. Drinking some coffee, trying to wake up. It's almost 7. Electricians are coming today, so I had to get up and out. And I think they're doing Deborah's today, but she's getting her whole casita wired. I just need an AC disconnect. So I think they're doing Deborah's today and get all that done. Then I think they're coming tomorrow to do mine. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and check it out. Yeah. What do you say? Huh? Can you do your tail in circles? Can you do your tail in circles? How do you know I'm talking to you? Everybody's not awake yet. Everybody's not awake yet. Yeah. Everybody's not awake yet. All right. We go over there. Let's go over there. Do your tail in circles. Circles. Oh, almost. Circles. You sweetie. You sweetie. Yeah. Got a hummingbird this morning. Got a hummingbird. Good morning, hummingbird. Good morning. All the wildlife is waking up.